In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and effectively create a quote using Xero, a popular cloud-based accounting software for small to medium-sized businesses. Quoting can sometimes be seen as a daunting task, but with Xero, it's streamlined to be as simple and efficient as possible. Let's dive in and learn how to do this step by step. First things first, after you've logged into your Xero dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu. Here, you'll find a plus icon, which is your gateway to creating new items within Xero. This includes invoices, bills, purchase orders, and most importantly for our task today, quotes. Once you've located the plus icon, click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showing you all the actions you can perform. From this list, select the option for a quote. This will take you directly to the quote creation page, a blank canvas for you to start drafting your quote. Now, every good quote begins with the details of the person or company you're quoting for. It's vital to ensure these details are accurate to maintain professionalism and avoid any misunderstandings. In the To field, start typing the name of your contact or their company name. As you type, Xero smartly searches through your existing contacts and shows you a list of matches. When you see the correct contact, simply click on it to fill in their details automatically. Next up, let's talk about the expiry date of your quote. This is an important aspect as it sets the time frame for the offered prices and services, providing a sense of urgency for your client. You'll find a field specifically for the expiry date on the quote form. Click into this field and a date picker will pop up, allowing you to select an appropriate date. Choose the date by which you expect the recipient to make a decision. Now, let's move on to the products or services you're offering. Below the contact and expiry date fields, you'll find sections to input what you're quoting for. Here is where you detail what the quote contains. For each item or service, you'll need to type in the product name and specify the price. If you're selling products, you can also include details like quantity and description for clarity. If you're adding multiple items, no problem. Xero makes it easy to add additional lines for each product or service you need to include. With all the relevant information added, you are now ready to send the quote to your client. Look for the Send button, which is typically located at the bottom or top right of the page. Before you hit Send, take a moment to review the quote. Make sure all the details are correct, such as the spelling of the contact's name and the quoted products or services and prices. Accuracy here can save you from potential headaches down the line. Once you're satisfied with the review, go ahead and click Send. Xero then presents you with options for sending the quote. You can choose to send it directly from Xero via email, which allows you to include a personalized message alongside the attached quote in PDF format. Alternatively, if you prefer to handle the sending process externally, you can download the quote and send it through your own email service. After clicking Send, congratulations! You've successfully created and sent a quote using Xero. It's a simple process that, once familiar, takes just a few minutes from start to finish. Remember, the key to a good quote is clarity and detail. Ensure your quotes are detailed enough that the recipient understands exactly what they're being offered, making it easier for them to make a decision. And that's it for today's tutorial on quoting with Xero. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to dive in and start creating quotes for your clients. With each one, you'll become more familiar with the process and more efficient at sending out these important pieces of business communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most of Xero and other business tools.